So, hey everyone. So, ngayon is ano ba tawag doon? Mag-unpacking or magbukas tayo ng mga gifts sa ating Eid. So, sa aking dalaga, we've got this Sephora pouch. Yan. Tapos, ang laman niya is, ano ba to? Face mask, dalawa. Different variety. So, diba? And meron din silang hydrating lip balm. Meron ding cute na clip, hair clip. Then Vaseline lip care. And then bright cream also. So ito yung ang ganda ng pouch. So this is from Sephora. So yun yung bigay niya. And then meron din ako natanggap from my guy boss. Dilipit ko na lang yun dito. Dito, a cash. So, lagay picture. And then, also, cash also from different people. Siguro umabot din ng mga nasa 100 plus. And then, also mga chocolates and biscuits and anything. Mga chicheria, ganun. So, here. Dyan. So, yeah. It's a wonderful journey of Ramadan. First Ramadan here sa bagong amo. So, yeah. That's all. And sana pa marami pang gifts or blessings in the future. So, yun lang. And meron pa rin mga ganito. Galing sa mga kids. Yeah. And also, I've got a cute gift also for my boss, which there's an M here. It's not really, it's a gold plated, but so cute. Gold plated siya. Brass and enamel pendant something. Cute letter M. So, thank you so much. And more blessings to come sa family. That's all. Bye-bye. See you next time.